friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. My friends, we are in the summer section segment. If I talk about why, this is a silk segment, right? Hope you may think that. Yes, I agree. This is a silk segment where you're watching here the both many varieties with the catalog based silk cotton varieties. This is the entire segment. I talk about the all state varieties of silk sarees, and especially now I'm talking about summer varieties. So summer is everywhere. The peak summer has started. If I talk about up to June, we have a peak summer. So today I brought for you the unique varieties from the silk cotton, which is only from the silk segment. So the unique varieties which are very pretty, very beautiful sarees, which give very comfortable the body to wear and to carry. So these collections are average, I can say about 900 range of to 1200 range of varieties. Before getting out of stock, cotton, silk and silk retailers quickly place an order. And dealers, these collections you have to keep where you can have a huge margin in the business. Let's see these varieties. Subscribe the channel, and if you are watching the first time new viewers, subscribe this channel to have a regular product updates based on your business and your location. You can have a products details and information to have at your business. So we do have a providing online purchase COD pan India online options 20 to 25. You can purchase collections where you can reach at your home and at your destination. So all the varieties we have sari, lehenga, kurti, all the collections Kesaria is giving you. Kesaria location point, which is Doriwala Square building opposite to Surat Railway Station, next to Mohan Sweets. The collections where you can purchase just from the walkable distance from the Surat Railway Station. So let's see the collections now. So coming to the beautiful pretty collections, I do have a dark peach color with the rose flower, which is a golden coat which has given here the golden combination. The bold floral, which is a unique pallu, I can say, which highlights when we carry. So you can take a screenshot. Why? Because I'm not sharing the code over here. So when you take a photocopy, you can talk to our online team, and quickly you can purchase with the color charts. The next pattern, you have a matte look of black with maroon, the casual stylish floral print. This is also one of the pattern. You can have these kind of varieties with the color charts. You have a very thread tassels, very sober thread tassels on the sarees. Next pattern, very pretty, the Rani pink with a multicolor, which gives a traditional look in the summer cotton. You can have these varieties for this functional mini functions. You can also, these collections have with the color charts. So this is the entire pattern. You have a multi printed, which is a golden foil which has covered over here, and the thread tassels. Every cotton silk you can see these kind of thread tassels, very sober tassels you can see over here. The next saree, very pretty with the matte golden with the mud grey or mud black, I can say, the unique design. So the matte look which is given here, the bold border with the matte look and the mud black color finishing with the grey color combination. These sarees are looks very pretty and gives a formal look. And if I talk about the next saree, shawl. What is shawl? I'm talking about the weaving shawl. So the shawl which has a beautiful demanded 99% of the print, the saree which you got with the weaving pattern. So one of the ocean blue color, you have this color. In this also you have a lovely color charts. So next saree, the floral garden with the ink blue color with the blue color combination with the white color. The flower garden with the leafy pattern. You can have these kind of color charts also you can purchase. This is one of the pattern. So the next saree, which is very pretty color, the yellow, dark yellow with red color, which is a sign of a temple visits. People wear this saree, and you have a Valmiki, you have a beautiful village type pattern with the temple borders which is highlighted with the red color, and you have a fancy thread tassels, very sober and classy. These all collections has come for this summer special to have a huge margin at your business. So resellers, if you are looking for this cotton silk varieties at your business, quickly visit purchase Kesaria Manufacturers Doriwala. So no doubt about quality or no doubt about quantity. When I deliver the product to you, ensure these are very new arrivals and the trending collections which are selling worldwide. So hope you understand. If you like these collections, before getting out of stock, place an order. Enjoy these varieties at your business. Ensure do your product marketing yourself, represent yourself according to your market, your business, and please maintain a database of your customers. your database is your customers, I can say. So that is very important to handle and to maintain our database in your business. So ensure. Next video we'll meet with new more collections. Keep supporting me. Don't forget to share your name and city in the comments. So until then, keep supporting me. Take care. Bye bye.